Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
In this video, I am going to talk something about persuasion. So, let us understand first what do we exactly mean by persuasion. See, before going to depth in persuasion, let us understand what does persuasion mean. Persuasion means transforming the people who have taken a decision to not buy into their mindset to buy a product. So, from not to buy, this transformation, transformation in their mindset is called as persuasion. To pursue something, to create some impact, that is called as persuasion. Now, let us understand how we are going to persuade someone. Firstly, we will do it through emotions. How are you going to do it through emotions? Okay, so whenever you're going to put some statements, that statement should have persuasion emotions. Whenever you're speaking or when you are writing, it should have some emotions. That should create some emotions. Okay, for example, I'm telling you, my product will change your life. Or second thing I can give is my product will change life. I'm giving a plural thing. But if I'm telling my product changed my and millions of life, now the last statement created an impact in my mind. So any statement that is creating an emotional impact in my mind and a little bit emotional difference in my mind, then it is gonna help me. The second thing, you should give them, a scarcity. What do you mean by scarcity? See, even while telling about headline, I had told you to give some deadline. To feel that it is being scared. To feel that it is going to be over. So, for example, you can give last 30 items remained. Buy it or leave it. Or you can give it, it's gonna end in 10 minutes. Hurry up, or you will regret upon it. Something like that. When you're giving some things like that, that is actually going to create the feeling of scarcity among your customers. Okay, I'm telling you, last 10 minutes, last 10 products, and this offer is over. You are actually losing something worthwhile. So when you're saying these things like last 10 minutes, hurry up, all those things, it is creating a feeling of scarcity. Means you're telling your customers that it is going to get over. If you're going to, waste time in thinking whether to buy it, to not buy it, you are just going to miss out this, offer. So when you are going to tell your customers that they are losing something, and it is just they don't have any time to think upon that, then they are going to take an action. Then they are intended to take a fast action. So firstly, we'll create emotions, and secondly, we are going to make them feel that it is going to get over. So hurry up. If you are able to create emotion, then only you should create emotions, or else you shouldn't do it. All of those points, all 5 points which I have told you, if you are able to give that thing, then only you should create that impact. If you are not able to do it, then leave it. For example, I'm talking about scarcity. If you're selling on Amazon or something, but you are having your own shop, or actually there's nothing such offer going on, you are just faking about it, you shouldn't do that thing. It's a very wrong thing to do it. Actually something is going to get over, or actually it's going to time up, then if you are urging them to do it, then it's okay. But you are just faking it to do it, then it's very much wrong to do it. Specificity. What does this mean? Specificity. Specific and When you're too specific, means, for example, I'll give you, whenever you're buying any, on Udemy, okay, if you're buying any course, then you are getting there how many people, in specific terms, you will understand how many people have enrolled into that program. So if you're able to give some specific amount or specific digit or some specific numbers to your customers, then it is best. But if not so, you shouldn't do it. Again, I am repeating the thing. If you don't have any specific number, then you shouldn't do it. And if you're giving some specific number, it should be truly specific number. You should not round it up. For example, 720. If it is 720 or 719, you should not round it up to 720. Leave it to 719 only. So you should give specific. Now comes humor. Whenever you create some humor, people actually get attracted to you. People are interested. So if you are in your some of your statements, you are creating some humor, then it would be great. It would be like toss. So if you are giving some humor, it would be a very brilliant thing to give it. But if you are not able to do so, please don't do it. If you are going to give the best, then give it. If you are giving the best humor, give it. But you are not sure about your humor, leave it. So, if you give some humor, it automatically creates our interest. It automatically creates, some emotional binding towards that product or brand. And next comes social proof. You would have seen the social proof is given everywhere. That is your rating. Okay, if you are having a good rating, good stars, then only you should give this thing. You have, good amount of followers on your social media, then only you should do it. If you have very less ratings, then you should never take this option of giving social proof. So again, I am repeating, whatever things you are able to give it and you are, true and honest on it, then only give it. Don't fake it. If you are not able to give it, leave that option. But I'll tell you, for pursuing others, you should use all these 5 things. Firstly, you should create emotions, a sense of scarcity, specific thing, humor, and social proof. So in this way, we are going to, convert people to buy a product. So these are all important points that will convert them, that will, tell them to take action to buy a product. That's all about persuasion.